All of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 1, number system, and this is part 1, means one set of questions. 30 questions I am going to take today, and the next set of questions I am going to take tomorrow. Right? So let us start with the first question. The rational form of 0.254, 54 में बार लगा हुआ है, that means repetition block है ये, is in the form of p by q, then p plus q is dash. So what we have to do, we have to take some first let x is equals to 0.254, 54 को हम लोग repetition है तो 3 बार repeat कर लेंगे. Now we will multiply with by 1000 or we can multiply with by 100 also, right? So यहाँ पे हम लोग 100 से multiply कर रहे हैं. If you multiply it with 100, so point will come here. 2 plus right side के तरफ shift होगा. So that means 25.4545 so on. Okay. So now what we are going to take? We are going to subtract. देखो यहाँ पर भी next 54 आया, 54 so on. So what we can take? We can write bar here, 54 bar. Now we have to subtract these two. ठीक है, subtracting equation 1 and 2, 1 from 2 we get 100x minus x is equals to 99 and this will be 25.2. केवल ये वाला part subtract होगा, ये cancel हो जाएगा. So x is equals to 25.2 upon 99. If we want to replace this decimal, so again we have to multiply with 10. So finally we'll get 252 by 990. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to divide numerator and denominator by 99. 9. So 9 से divide करेंगे तो 110 आ रहा है यहाँ पर. If you divide by 9 here, you will get 28. ठीक है, 28. फिर से 2 से divide करो 14, 55. So 14 upon 55. Now we will equate in the form of p by q. So we'll get p is equals to 40 and q is equals to 55. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of p plus q? 14 plus 55 will get 69. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question. The question number 2, the decimal representation of 71 upon 150 is dash. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे देखो, whenever the rational number is in the form of p by q, simplest form, we have to check that whether q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 2 to the 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. That is whole number. ठीक है? अब इसके अलावा कोई दूसरा फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर if q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, अगर उसमें केवल 2 है, केवल 5 है या दोनों हैं, तो then it is terminating decimal. अगर कोई तीसरा फैक्टर यहाँ पर आ गया 3 या 7, right? So ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल हो जाएगा. सो सी 150 हाउ विल यू राइट इन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म? 25 इंटू 6 होता है, ठीक है. 6 मीन्स 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 स्क्वायर, राइट. 3 और 2 का पावर 1 है. सो ये जो है ये इस फॉर्म में नहीं है. I told you that दूसरा फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए इन दोनों के अलावा. So then it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Clear? So rational number 75 upon 150 we can
Yes,
write 71 upon 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 2. So since the denominator is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers, therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimals. So the correct option is
Option.
Option B.
option B, right. Now we are moving towards question number 3. Which of the following has terminating decimal expansion? Just now I told you that the rational number, the denominator of the rational number should, if it is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n only, then it is terminating decimal expansion, where m and n are non-negative integers. तो हम लोग सबका डिनोमिनेटर चेक करेंगे. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद 91. 91 is 7 into 13 and 80 we can write 16 into 5 होता है. So that is 2 to the power 4 into 5. 45 is 9 into 5. So 3 square into 5 and 42 is 6 into 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. So इसमें कौन सा उस फॉर्म में है? 80?
80 sir.
Right, 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n के फॉर्म में. And this is in simplest form also. ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि the rational number should be in the simplest form. So we know that 2 and 5 are not factors of 19. So it is in its simplest form. So since the denominator of 19 by 80 is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integer, therefore 19 upon 80 is a terminating. So which option is the correct one? Option B, right. See, for MCQ, steps are not required. ये तो मुझे explain करना है करके मैं steps लिख रहा हूँ. So you can do directly. You can do directly rough work and choose the correct answer. So now we are moving toward question number 4. Root 2 is dash. Is a rational number, is an irrational number, is a terminating decimal, is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Root 2 rational number नहीं है, terminating भी नहीं है because ये non-terminating है और repeating भी नहीं है ये. Only one option is left, irrational number, right? Next question. 1 upon root 2 is a fraction, a rational number and irrational number, none of this. See, I am going to repeat one property. If you multiply rational and irrational, you will get irrational always. If you divide rational by irrational or irrational by rational, you will get irrational always. If you add rational and irrational, you will get irrational always. If you subtract rational and irrational, you will get irrational always. So what is the correct answer here?
Option C.
Option C, that is irrational number. Because we are dividing a rational number by irrational number, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. 2 plus root 2. We are adding rational number with irrational number. So what you will get?
Irrational.
Irrational number. Very good. So correct option is C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 7. 2.13, 113, 1113. यहाँ पर देखो एक 1 है और यहाँ पे 2 है और यहाँ पे 3 है और here 4 ones are there. So that means it is not repeating, but dot 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 means it is non-terminating, right? So non-terminating, non-repeating, irrational number होता है. So the correct option is C. It is an irrational number because it is non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Now we are moving toward the next question. 3.24636363. So it is repeating in two blocks, 636363. So non-terminating repeating कौन सा type होता है, कौन सा number होता है?
Rational number.
Rational number. Very good. So question number 8 over. Now we will move toward question number 9. The number 2.35 bar. 35 bar means it is repeating in block of two numbers. So so which is the correct option?
Rational number.
Rational number. Option B. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 10. 45. 45 we can write 9 into 5. Okay. 45 को हम लोग 9 into 5 लिख सकते हैं. If you take square root, you will get 3 root 5. So 3 root 5 is the product of rational number and irrational number. Just now I told you that the product of rational number and irrational number is always an irrational number. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B. Right. Now the next question. 1.2348 bar. So 48 में bar लगा, that means it is repeating in block of two numbers. 48, 48, 48, 48, so on. So it is non-terminating, repeating. So which is the correct answer?
Option C.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C, rational number. Right. So this is the question number 11. Now we are moving toward question number 12. Between two rational numbers, there is or are, how many irrational numbers are there? Infinite, one and only one, no irrational number, no rational number or no irrational number.
Infinite.
Option A.
Option A, very good. We can write infinite number of rational numbers. So correct answer is option A. So now we are moving toward question number 13. Which of the following is a rational number?
Option A.
Option A, right. See, यहाँ पर एक irrational number आ गया. So we are dividing rational by irrational. Here also same. We are dividing rational number by irrational. Here we are dividing irrational number by rational number. So in all the three cases we are getting irrational number. So only the correct option is A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 14. 64 to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to dash. सो 64 यहाँ पे देखो 2 है तो 64 को हम लोग किसके पावर में 2 लिख सकते हैं?
8 sir.
राइट 8 स्क्वायर. ओके 8 स्क्वायर टू द पावर minus 1 by 2. Right, if we use the property then 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will come and this 2 will be cancelled and finally we'll get 8 to the power minus 1. 8 to the power minus 1 is nothing but what is 8 to the power minus 1?
Minus 1 by 2.
No minus 1 by 8. 8 to the power 1 upon 8. 8 to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 8. Reciprocal of 8. ठीक है, तो correct option is A bit. This is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So now we are moving toward question number 15. The expression 3x to the power 0 minus 1 upon x to the power 0 plus 1 on simplification becomes. देखो ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये भी 1 हो जाएगा. So this will be equals to 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Right? That means 2 by 2. So what is the correct answer?
Option B.
Option A, 1. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. Every rational number is dash. A natural number, an integer, a real number, a whole number.
An integer. Option B.
Option B, sir.
No. See, I will give one example. 3 by 4 is a rational number. Now you tell me whether it is an integer?
No, sir.
It's
No.
a real number. Option C.
Yes, option C is the correct answer. Because we real number are classified into two types. One is rational number and another is irrational number. So all rational numbers are real numbers. Now we'll move toward question number 17. Between two rational numbers, there is no rational numbers. There is exactly one rational number. There are infinitely many rational numbers. There are only rational numbers and one irrational numbers. So
Option C.
option C.
Option C. Option C.
Right. This is the repeated question, but it is given in other form. Option दूसरे तरीके से दिया हुआ है. Okay. Now we'll move toward question number 18. Decimal representation of a rational number cannot be terminating, non-terminating, non-terminating repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating.
Non-terminating, non-repeating. Option
Very
B.
good. Non-terminating, non-repeating, क्योंकि ये irrational number होता है. ठीक है, ये वाला इसमें नहीं होना चाहिए. Now we'll move toward question number 19. The product of any two irrational numbers is dash. Just now I told always an नहीं अभी नहीं बताया था मैं, ये दूसरा है. Always an irrational number, always a rational number, always an integer, sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. I will give one example. See, I am going to multiply two irrational number, root 2 into root 2. What you will get?
Root 4.
What is root 4?
2.
2. So root 2 into root 2, 2 are. That means the product of two irrational number is, we are getting a rational number. Now if you multiply root 2 into root 3, so you will get root 6. And root 6 is also an irrational number. So the correct option is
Option D.
option D. Right. Sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. The decimal expansion of the number root 2 is dash. A finite decimal 1.41421, non-terminating recurring, recurring means repeating, non-terminating non-recurring, non-terminating, non-terminating non-repeating.
Option B, sir.
Sir, option B.
Option D, right? Because root 2 is an irrational number. Why? Because it has non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. So the correct option is option D. So now we are moving toward question number 21. Which of the following is irrational number? See, if you simplify, you will get 2 by 3 here. If you simplify this one, you will get 9. If you simplify this one, you will get 2 root 3 upon root 3. Okay? So that means you will get root 2 only. So only one option is left. Which one?
Option C.
Option C. So this is a irrational number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now 22nd. Which of the following is an irrational number? See, ये terminate हो गया, तो ये irrational number नहीं है. This is non-repeating. Okay, non-terminating repeating. So this is also not irrational number. This is also non-terminating repeating. So this is also not irrational number. Only one option is
Option
left.
D.
Yes, because this is non-terminating, non-repeating. So option D is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 23. A rational number between root 2 and root 3 is dash. Root 2 plus root 3 by 2, root 2 into root 3 by 2, 1.5 and 1.8.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
एक मिनट देखो, रूट 2 का जो वैल्यू है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1.414 है, अप्रॉक्सीमेट नॉट एग्जैक्ट, एंड रूट 3 का है 1.732. ठीक है, राइट? सो देखो ये वाला नहीं है, क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज दिस इज अ इरैशनल नंबर. Root 2 into root 3 is an irrational number. If you divide irrational by rational, you will get irrational number. Okay? And again, the sum of root 2 and root 3 is irrational. If you divide irrational by rational, then also you will get irrational number. So, ये दोनों answer नहीं है. Only rational number we have two numbers, and you have to see which number is in between these two values.
1.5.
Option C, right? 1.5. So this is the correct answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. The value of 1.999 so on. Or we can write 1.9 bar. In the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0 is dash. So हम लोग इसको एक बार मेथड कर लेते हैं, एक बार सॉल्व ही कर लेते हैं. Let 1.9 bar is x. And what we are going to do, एक तो एक्सटेंड कर दो यहाँ तक. Okay, now multiply with 10, so you will get 10x is equals to 19.9 bar. Right, now subtract these two, so you will get 9x is equals to what you will get. 9x is equals to, if you subtract these two, this one,
18.
right? So x is equals to 18 by 9. So what is the answer?
2.
2, sir.
2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 25. 2 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to dash. अच्छा, मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना, चलो 2x plus x कितना होगा?
3x.
3x. So which is the correct answer here?
Option C.
2 root.
Option C, 3 root 3. ठीक है, 2 times root 3 plus 1 time root 3 is 3 times root 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 26. Root 10 into root 15 is equal to dash. चलो, इसको मैं सॉल्व करके बता रहा हूँ. Root 10 into root 15, root over 10 into 15 हो जाएगा. Okay. Now factorize 10 and 15. So 5 into 2 and 15 is 5 into 3 right? So now which number is in pair?
5.
5.
Five.
So we can take out from root. So 2 into 3 is left, and so what we are getting? 5 root 6. Okay, which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Whether this answer is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 27. The number obtained on rationalizing the denominator of 1 upon root 7 minus 2. चलो इसको rationalize कर लेते हैं. What is the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus 2?
Root 7 plus 2.
Right, root 7 plus 2. So we are going to multiply with root 7 plus 2. Okay. So now see, the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that will become a square minus b square. So what is root 7 square?
7.
7.
7.
And what is 2 square?
4.
4. So we are getting root 7 plus 2 upon 3. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. So right, this is the correct option. So now we are moving towards question number 28. 1 upon root 9 minus root 8 is equal to dash. So first of all, what we are going to do, see, ध्यान से देखो, what is root 9? 3. What is root 8? 2 root 2.
2.
ठीक है, now we have to rationalize this denominator, 3 minus 2 root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor?
3 plus 2 root 2.
Right, 3 plus 2 root 2 से हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को. Now the denominator will become in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what we are going to get? A square minus b square. So what is 3 square?
9.
And
9. What is 2 root 2 square? 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So finally we'll get 3 plus 2 root 2. So which option is the correct one?
option
B.
Option
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 29. Only 2 questions left. After rationalizing the denominator of 7 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2, we get the denominator as. अच्छा ठीक है, तो हम लोग पहले rationalization कर लेते हैं. What is the rationalizing factor of the denominator? That is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2.
3 root 3
3
plus
root 3
2 root 2.
Very good. So 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So this is the rationalizing factor of the denominator. अब हम लोग denominator को multiply करेंगे. The denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the square of 3 root 3?
27.
Very good. 27. And what is the square of 2 root 2?
8.
8.
8,
Right.
sir.
So we are going to substitute 27 by 8. 27 minus 8. So कितना होगा? Denominator
19.
19. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward the last question of today's session, 30th question. The value of root 32 plus root 48 upon root 8 plus root 12 is equal to dash. Right. अभी देखो ध्यान से, इसको मैं simplify कर रहा हूँ. Root 32 we can write 16 into 2. That means it is 4 root 2. And 48 we can write 16 into 3. That means it is 4 root 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
root 8 we can write 2 root 2. And root 12 we can write 3 root 2. 2 root 3. So numerator से हम लोग 4 common ले सकते हैं. So if you take 4 common, we'll get 4 into root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3, and in denominator 2 into root 2 plus root 3. So कुछ cancel हो रहा है?
Root 2 plus root 3.
Right. So this 2 will be cancelled and we'll get 4 upon 2. That is
2.
2. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the correct answer. Now this is the last question of today's session, and tomorrow we'll do some 20 or 30 questions, second set of the MCQ questions. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.